Hello, my dear student. Myself Ashita from Department of Economics. I engaged monetary economics. So today I'm going to discuss about money. So first we can see the meaning of money. Money is used to intermediate the exchange of goods and services. It is performing a function as a medium of exchange. Since the uses of money was not known, goods and services were exchanged directly for other goods and services. Such a system of direct exchange is called as barter system. A barter system is an old method of exchange. Here, money need not be used. For example, bread provided in the exchange for butter. So, in the next slide, we can see the history of money. So first we can use this old method. It call it as barter system. So next we can use material coin or modern coins. So these are all things history of money. So next we can move the definition of money. Money is the most useful invention which facilitates the economy for performing many activities. The word money is derived from the word Latin moneta, which was a surname of the Roman goddess, and whose temple money was coined at Roman. According to Walker, money is what money does. It too wide. According to D.H. Robertson define, money is anything which is widely accepted in the payment for the goods or in discharge of other kinds of business obligations. So next, evaluation of money. So we can see it in the picture. Barter system, then old golds and the metal coins, paper money, plastic money. So these are all the evaluation of money. So money in its present form did not come existent all at once. Money has been classified into various forms mainly on the basis of first one, the physical characteristics of materials form which money is made. Second one is nature of the issuer such as government, central bank and commercial bank, etc. Third, the relationship between the value of money and as commodity. So next, we can see one by one based on the physical characteristics of materials for form which money is made or the monetary system. Money can be classified as metallic money, paper money, and credit money. So metallic money. Money made by any metal such as gold, silver, copper, etc. is called as metallic money. So second one is paper money. Paper money is refers to the note of different denomination made of paper and issued by the central bank or the government. Paper money can be classified as first one representative paper money, B convertible paper money, and inconvertible paper money and fiat money. So third one, credit money. Credit money is transferred by a commercial bank in the form of checks or draft. So next, based on the nature of the issuer such as the government, central bank, commercial bank or the acceptable money is classified into first one, legal tender money. Legal tender money is that which the state and the people accepted as a means of payment and the discharge of debts. Second one, non-legal tender money. Money which does not have any legal authority of the state or the central is non-legal tender money. So next, on the basis of the relationship between the value of money and as commodity, Keynes distinction between the money of account and money proper in the modern economy classified under two heads. One is actual money and another one is near money. So first we can see the actual money. Actual money refers to the legal tender money or the money in circulation such as standard coins, token coins and the paper coins. Second one is near money. On the near money is not perfectly liquid. Such assets including treasury bill, bonds, debenture, checks, postal saving, etc. The following items are generally used as near money is checks, treasury bills and the credit card. So next we can see the function of money. So there are four functions, mainly primary function, secondary function, and contingent function, and other function. Under the primary function, we can see the medium of exchange, measures of value. Under the secondary function, standard for the differ, payment, store of value, transfer of value. And third, contingent function. Under that, distribution of income, given a general form of capital, basis of credit, maximum satisfaction. And other function. Under that, liquidity, bearers of options, guarantees for the solvency. So next, we can discuss one by one. Primary function, medium of exchange. The most important function of money is that it serves as a medium of exchange. Second one is standard of value. In making exchange, an agreement should be made regarding the price or the rate at which the exchange will be made. Second one is secondary function, standard of deferred payment. Money is used to make and receive payment after the interval of time. Second, store of value. Goods cannot be stored as such for long time, so to use them in future. Third, transfer of value. Money serves as means of transfer of value from one place to another. So next, contingent function of money, distribution of national income. Money helps in distribution of national income. In the modern economy, the goods and services are produced by the people, joining as landlord, worker, etc. And second one, equalization of marginal utility. Money helps both consumer and producer to maximize their satisfaction or profit. Third one is money serves as the basis of credit. The credit is nothing but promise to pay on which the modern economic depend on the great extent. So fourth function, other function of money, repaying capacity. Money help people to maintaining their repaying capacity since money is most liquid asset and accepted by all. Second, general purchasing power. Money can be put any use any time. In other words, money can purchasing anything. And third, liquidity to capital. Money provides liquidity to the capital. Money is also one form of capital. Next, circular flow of income in four sector model. The circular flow of income or circular flow is a model of economy in which the major exchange are represented as follow of money, goods and services, etc. Between economic agent, the flow of money and goods exchange in the close circulation correspondent in the value but run in the opposite direction. Circular flow of income in the four sector economy. It consisting household, firm, government and the foreign sector. Circular flow of income can be classified into two sector model, household and firm, three sector, household, firm and government, fourth sector, household, firm, government and the foreign sector. So we can see two sector model. In the basic two sector of income model, the economy consists of two sectors. Here income and expenditure flow between the household sector and the firm. It neglects the government. It refers to the household as individual or public and firm as business or the public or the productive sector. Household sector are the owner of factor of production uh, and their total income returns on their factor. They spend all the income, they consisting all the goods and services. In this diagram we can see household and firm. So in this figure, on the left side household sector, on the right side business sector. It divided into two parts, upper half and the lower half. And the upper half that indicated factor market. The continuous arrow mark shows factor flow from the household sector to the business sector. The factor flow cause another flow, that is flow of factor income from the business firm to the household sector. And the lower half, commodity market, goods and services produced by the business firm flow from the firm to the household sector. It is also created flow of income, that is household sector makes payment on the goods and services to the business sector. Note that product and money flow in the commodity marks in the opposite direction when we combine the production and the money flow in the factor and the commodity market, or by the combination the arrow mark in the commodity and factor market, we can get circular flow of income in the two sector model. And second, three sector model. The three sector model added government sector to the two sector model: household, firm, government. It excluded the firm, financial sector and the foreign sector. The government sector consisting of the economic activities of local, state and federal government. Flow from the household and firm to government are in the form of tax. The income the government receive for flow to firm and household in the form of subsidiary, transport and the goods and services. We can see in the diagram household and firm and government. So leakage of money and injection of money, and factor and income, goods and services. So next, four sector model. The four sector model added to foreign sector to the three sector model, it including the financial sector. The foreign sector comprises foreign trade, under that import and export of goods and services, and inflow of and outflow of capital, foreign exchange. In this diagram, the lower part of diagram indicated investment on foreign trade, export indicated, and goods and services of outflow, and receive the money in the form of receipt, and export representing injection and to the economy. Similarly, import makes inflow of the goods and services and outflow of money from the country. Import representing the leakage from the circular flow. Other inflow of income generated by the household by the exporting manpower. So for the for as effect of foreign trade on the magnetated overall flow of consolidated. If export is greater than import, it is called as favorable to the circular flow of income. If export is lesser than import, is unfavorable, and if export is equal to import, is unaffected to the circular flow of income. So next, we can discuss paper currency system. Paper money is country's official paper currency that circulated for the transaction involved in the auxiliary goods and services. According to Perry, paper money is a documents representing money such as banknote, promissory notes, bills of exchange, or the postal order. So we can see the advantage and disadvantage of paper currency. So advantage: cheap and economical, convenience, copying, homogeneous, advantage of unlimited legal tender, precious metal saving, easy to portable, stable in a value, easy to counting. So these are all the advantage of paper currency. And disadvantages: demonetization, exchange rate instability, monetary mismanagement, excess issuance, restricted acceptability, inconvenience of small denominators, troubling balance of payment, and short life. So these are all the disadvantages of paper currency. So next, system of note issues. The fixed fiduciary system. This is one of the oldest system of controlling note issues Under this system, a country can issue a certain quantities of notes without any uh, reserve, that is without gold or silver back. The maximum limited system. This is second system. This system was adopted in the France of operation up to 1928 to 1929. The proportional reserve system. Under this system, notes issued conditioned by the gold backing. This means that a certain portion of notes issued has been backed by the gold reserve. Next one, the proportional reserve system. Note based on the gold. It refers to the minimum reserve system under which the central banks can be issued notes. So next, supply of money and the components. Money supply means the total amount of money in an economy. The effective money supply consisting mostly of currency and the demanded deposit. The Reserve Bank of India (RBI) published four measures, it including M1, M2, M3, and M4, based on the liquidity or spended ability with the different components from most liquidity to the most rigid form. So components: M1, C plus D, D plus OD. Here C refers to currency notes and the coin. D refers to demand deposit with the banking system. OD refers to the other deposit with the RBI. And M2, second component of money, is M2. Here M1 plus deposit with the post office saving bank account. Third component M3, M1 plus net time deposit with the commercial banks. And fourth component of money is M4. Here M4 equal to M3 plus total deposit with the post office other than in the form of national savings certificates. So these are all things come under the money chapter. So thank you.